Hey guys, today we are gonna see how to make a simple calculator using JavaScript. So let me begin this by creating a folder here on my desktop and name it calc. Okay, then let me bring up my text editor. So I am using Visual Studio Code as you can see, but of course you can use Notepad++ or Atom or anything, whatever your preference is. So let me open that folder first of all here. Okay, so I'll create a new file in that folder and I'll name it calc.h. Okay, wait a second. calc.html. Yeah, and I'll create another file and save it as script.js. So here's the thing. Of course, there are three ways to connect JavaScript and HTML, but I prefer this way. Even if the code is small, I prefer it like this. So let's begin. HTML5 document title simple calculator. Let me give some heading in the header section. Let's name it calc, and then in body label for val1, just name it value1. And then input type will be number, name will be val1, id will be val1, and also value will leave it empty. So let me just copy this thing for val2 as well. Okay, next we are gonna need 4 buttons. Button for addition, id add, and on click event we are gonna take it to OPR function, which I'll be declaring in the JavaScript file, this .id. So we are passing the id to the function. So we are gonna need 4 of these. Copy, paste, paste, paste. This will be minus of multiplication minus and division. Mul sub and div. Okay. Next we are going to display that thing, the result. So we will use input method text for that, name result, and value again we're gonna leave it empty and we'll disable it. Yeah, next we are going to need one more thing, that is a reset button. Just in case, value reset, on click we are gonna call re function. Okay, So again, we are not passing anything over there. So let's save it and let's see how our document looks like. So open with live server. How our web page looks like. Here it is. Boom. So of course it will not work as of now, but yeah, as you can see. Next, moving on to JavaScript, the scripting part. So we are gonna declare function OPR and choice. This okay. So first we are gonna grab those values. Value 1 is equals to parse float document dot get element by id. Wait a second. Get element by id. That id was val1. So similarly for value 2. Okay. Now again we are gonna use a switch case statement. Case add. If it is add, okay, wait a second. Here the thing is we want its value. So dot value. Yeah. Now document dot get element by id result, that is result dot value. There we are gonna this value 1 plus value. Yeah, that's it. So we are gonna copy paste this. Wait a second, one more thing we need to add here, that is break. Okay, copy paste paste paste. Okay, and let me change these things as well. Yeah, the order can be anything, but there is a reason why I did like that. Let me tell you. And here Dave. Okay, so now in division the thing is you cannot divide it any number by 0. It will be, infinite. We don't know. Okay, so the thing is we are gonna add here a if statement. Else if val2 is equal to 0, then we are gonna print value 2 cannot be 0, or else enter. Okay, so I'm gonna declare one more function, that is for reset. Another thing is simple. You get this copy paste is equals to empty. Copy, paste, paste. Okay, that's it. Let's check our web page now. So value 1 4, value 4.5 plus. Okay, there's some issue. So whenever there is some issue, you can go to inspect and console. This is your best friend. OPR is not defined. Okay, let me check. OPR, OPR. Well, it is okay. Yes, the thing. We have not linked the JavaScript in the HTML file. So yeah, script.js. Okay, refresh. Let's do this 4.5 plus that will give you 8.5, multiplication will give you 18, minus will give you minus 0.5, division will give you 0.88888, and on the click reset button everything is cleared. So now let's try with the 0 for value 2. 5 plus 0 5, 5 into 0 0, 5 minus 0 5, 5 value 2 cannot be 0. That's it, boom. So that is it, a simple calculator. Now let's style it a little bit, so that it looks neat. I'm gonna add a PI here. BR. Let these 4 buttons be in a single line. Let these 2 be in a single line. And NBS so that there is little bit space between these things. My bad. Okay. And style. Okay. Here's the thing. We can again add a style here in this head section, or it can be embedded inline, whatever. External. We are gonna go external. Save as style.css. Save. First thing we are gonna do h1. We're gonna style h1, text align, center, color, let it be font family we're gonna use something fantasy, but let me not forget linking it first. Style, actually it should be link, yeah, link css, yeah, yep. Then body, text align, center, save. Let's check this. Boom. The thing with websites is it should be compatible with mobile, tablet, or the desktop, whatever it is. So see here. Now this is nothing. There is nothing much. So yeah, it's pretty easy. You can make it look even better, but I leave it to you. You guys carry on from